Example 7 deals with adding and subtracting fractions. So this is just a reminder again. Bring it to the common denominator. So the first fraction gets multiplied by 4, and the second fraction by 3. So you have 1 times 4, which is 4, 3 times 3, which is 9, over 12. So this is going to be 13 over 12. You can leave it like this, or you can write it as a mixed number 1 and 1/12. So over here, the common denominator is going to be 6x. So multiply this one by 3 and the second one by 2. So you are going to get 3a plus 2b. That's what you are going to obtain in the numerator, and in the denominator 6x. There's nothing else I could do with that, so you leave your answer as it is. So over here, 2 over x plus 3, you multiply that fraction by x plus 1. I always like to write down what I'm multiplying it by, and this one by x plus 3, x plus 3. So you are going to get the first mark by writing everything as one fraction. So you can do it slowly, and I prefer to do it slowly, especially when there's subtraction going on, in case I make a mistake, even with the simplest fractions. So you have 2x plus 2, and you'll have minus 1x and minus 3. Now over x plus 3 and x plus 1. There's no need to expand the denominator into quadratic unless the question asks you to do it. So it's x minus 1 on the top, x plus 3 times x plus 1. And over here, check that this quadratic in the second fraction, factorize it first, rather than multiplying the denominators by each other. Check if there is another way of doing it. So if you notice there, both those fractions have x plus 1. So the common denominator will be the one with x minus 1 as well. So just need to change the first fraction into the equivalent fraction. So you have 3 and times by x minus 1 minus 4x. Straight away write it as one fraction, and you can put x plus 1 times x minus 1, or revert back into the difference of two squares of expanded version. 3x minus 3 minus 4x over x plus 1 times x minus 1, giving me a minus 3 minus x over x plus 1 times x minus 1. This takes us to exercise 1c. Just another point I can make, you could rewrite it as taking minus out and then put 3 plus x on the top, just so you know that these two are equivalent.